Hello student, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to discuss the practical number 12 for the subject computer science class 12, and we have already discussed the 11 practicals in this series. If you didn't watch, please go and watch those practicals so that you can get the clear understanding about that, and especially you should watch the 4, 5, 6, 7 practical, because in these practicals are related to file handling and this program is also related to file handling. So what is the essential problem? Problem is to take a sample of 10 phishing emails. We are going to take a sample of the 10 phishing emails, or here we are going to take the 5 phishing emails and create a text file, and then we are going to write a Python program to find the most commonly occurring word in that 10 phishing emails. Okay, so this is our problem. So what we are going to discuss today, we are going to discuss the problem first, then we are going to discuss the steps to solve it, and then we are going to write the Python code, and then we are going to run the code in Spider editor. I am using the Spider editor. If you are using any other editor like ideally Jupyter or Sublime, it will work in that also, and demonstrate it. Okay, I will show you how it is going to work. Okay, so that's all we are going to discuss in this video. So let's get started without any further delay. So what is the essential problem? Given a sample of 10, or let's say 5 phishing emails, we are going to use in a text file, and print the most occurring word in it. We are going to solve this problem. So first, before starting this problem, you should know what is the phishing. Phishing is a basically technique that is basically used by the hackers to cheat the people. Like they will send you lucrative offers, lucrative emails, lucrative messages. They will send a mail like, hi John, you have won lottery of 10 lakh rupees, let's say, and please pay 10,000 in advance to get 10 lakh rupees. Like this kind of mail you might have heard or you have seen, or sometimes on mobile you got this kind of messages also. So these are known as phishing emails. Phishing, if it is coming through mail, then it will be known as phishing emails. If it is coming, such kind of messages are coming from the messages, and that is known as phishing messages. So phishing is basically technique using which the phishing, it is a technique using which hackers take your important personal data or cheat you. Okay, they might ask you, like such kind of emails also you may receive, that your Facebook account has been hacked, and please click on this link to reset your password, and it will take you on a URL that is look like facebook.com. It will notice like facbwok.com. So it is look like the actual Facebook URL is facebwok.com, but it will look like facbwok.com, and you will not notice that, and the theme of the HTML page will be very similar to the Facebook page, and you will enter the username password there, and your password will be trashed by the hacker. So these kind of mails are known as phishing emails. Okay, so that point you should know first before solving this problem. So I have told you what is phishing. Now we can go ahead and try to solve our essential problem. So such kind of emails, 10 emails or 5 emails you are given in a text file, and then you need to you are supposed to find the most occurring word in that particular email using a Python program. So you will use the file handling to read the file and there are 10 emails. So let's get started. So what we are going to do, you need to create some text file that you will create or you might have received, and print the most occurring word. So if you know how to solve, if you solve this problem, this is the major problem that is related to this problem only. In a given string, find the most occurring word. If you can solve this problem using Python program, then there is nothing left in this problem actually. The string, let's suppose I am creating some str variable. Let's suppose str is a variable that has some words. Let's suppose hello, this is message, hello there. So let's suppose this is a string, and if you can solve this problem, let's suppose what is the most occurring word in this particular string? Hello occurs how many times? 2 times. 1 time, 2 times. This occurs how many times? This occurs only 1 time. So you should 1. Is occurs how many times? Is occurs only 1 time. Message occurs how many times? Only 1 time. And there occurs only 1 time. So if you solve this problem and print, your program should print that hello is the most occurring word and it repeated 2 times. If you solve this problem, then nothing is left in this problem actually. The string you will get is you will get it from the file, and you will replace this str with the file handling code, and you are done. So I am solving this problem, that how can you get the most occurring word in a given string. Then what you will do, if you solve this problem, then what only you need to do, you need to just replace this line with the file content, and if you replace this line with the file content, your problem below problem will remain same. Okay, so if this string is given, first of all you should know 3 methods in a string. Split method is basically used if you call str.split method, then it will return a list of each word in a string. Then it will return like this: hello will be the 1 word, then it will return this will be the 1 word, then it will return each will be the another word, message will be the another word, like this. Okay, like this it will return the all the words in a list. First thing you should know. Second method you should know, str.count. str.count, and if you want to count the hello how many times it is repeated, then it will return you 2. It will return 2. If you count str.count and you pass each, let's suppose each you want to count, then it will return 1, like this. So you should know what is the count method. Second method we are going to use the count method. And another method you should know the dictionary. Dictionary, you should know what is dictionary in a Python. Dictionary is what? Dictionary is a key value pair. Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to create this key value pair. Okay, whatever the what we will do, key will be your word, key will be what? Your word of each word of the file, and value will be what? Value will be the count or a frequency of word. So this is going to be, you need to know how to create a dictionary in Python. You can create a dictionary in Python using this keyword. So this is the basically method this is the way that you create the blank dictionary. Then you are keep on inserting the word and their count in this dictionary, and at the end of the loop you will be able to get this dictionary, and you can print this dictionary very easily and get the word and their frequency. Okay, so these concepts you should know. And one thing you need to know is the dictionary dot update method. And if you pass the word here, let's suppose hello and then 2, if you pass like this, then what this dictionary update method do, if key already exists in dictionary, if key already exists in dictionary, okay, then it will update the value, update the value of the key, and if the key doesn't exist, if key not exist in dictionary, then it will add the key value pair, So this function also you should know what we are going to use this method also. So first thing you should know what is the split method do. The split method, given a string, it will directly return the list of the words in that particular string. Then count method will help us to count, get the count of the word that we want to count. Let's suppose hello we want to count, then you will use str dot count and you will pass the word that you want to count, then it will return the count of the word that occurred in that particular string. And then you should know what is the dictionary, and then you should know how to create a dictionary, and then you should know how to insert the value in the dictionary. And if the dictionary, if you pass, you can use the dictionary dot update method to insert and update both at the same time using this method. If the key already exists, then we are going to update this particular value with the existing key, and if the key value pair doesn't found in this dictionary, then initially it will add this key value pair in this dictionary. So that much you should know, and this update method will create like this kind of dictionary. So let's try to write the Python code now and explain you how these things will work at one go. I explain the things in detail so that you don't confuse while I am going to use those. So I am removing all those and I am going to write the Python code so that you can get the idea how I am going to solve this problem. So I am removing all those. And now you know how to create a dictionary, what is update method, what is the count method, what is the split method, you all know those. Now we can try to write the Python code. Okay, now one thing more you should know, how to get the maximum in a list. If you know the logic how to get the maximum in a list, this I am going to show you that logic also, because this program is a typical program that involves a lot of logical things. So let's suppose this is the list 1, 10, 9, 7, 12, and let's suppose 2. This is the list, and how you find the maximum in the list? You assume that maximum is 0, and you can iterate this list using for loop. Let's suppose item and then in lst, and then what you do, if item is greater than the max, then what you are going to do, you are going to update this max with this particular item, otherwise you are keep on executing this loop. So this way you count the maximum, and at the end of the for loop you can print the maximum. Same logic we are going to use for counting the maximum number of occurrence of the word. Similar kind of count we are going to maintain. That's why I have told you how this for loop work. You should know at this point of time, because this is the last practical and you should know this. First time 1 will come in this item, and 1 is greater than 0, then max will be 1, current maximum will become 1. Now again this 10 will come in this item, 10 is greater than 1, then again 10 will become the current maximum. Next time 9 is greater than 10, no, nothing will happen. 7 is greater than 10, no, nothing will happen. 12 is greater than 10, yes, so 12 will be, so maximum will be updated with 12. And next time 2 is greater than 12, condition false, so 12, and this ends your loop, and you will get the maximum at the end of this for loop. So these 3-4 concepts we are going to use in this program directly. So I am removing this. You should know how to calculate the maximum. I have told you this because I am going to use that logic there here also, that's why I have told you. So now let's start and solve it. So let's take some small pen. Okay, I am going to write like this. So for occurrences, I am going to create some dictionary, occurrence dictionary. Creating blank dictionary. Maximum I am creating initially 0, and then I am going to use split method to get the list of words. I am going to use str.split method. I have already told you what the split method will do. It will return the list of words, okay, and then what you are going to use, you are going to use the for loop to iterate the each word, and let's say wrd in words. And then what you need to do, you need to count the word that occurred, how many times this word occurred in the string. You can count using count method. So you get the count equals to what, str dot count, and you will pass this word here, and it will count the number of times the word occurred in this particular string, and then you are going to make this entry into this dictionary, occurrence dictionary, occurrence underscore dictionary dict dot update method we are going to use, and then you will pass the dictionary as a key will be word, and your count will be the value. So essentially we are trying to create the dictionary like this. Okay, you are getting the point, I think. Then we are checking if the count that we are getting of any word, that count is greater than this maximum, then we are going to update. If count is greater than the current maximum, the logic that we are used for the list, I am using this here, then what we can do, we can set the max as count, and you can store this word so that you can print this word later. So maximum occur word name maximum occur word, you can create a blank string, and maximum occur word, you can store this word actually, so that you can further you can print it. So this will be the for loop, complete for loop up to there. And now after this for loop, you just need to print this value, and there is nothing left in this program. Now just print it. You may print it here. Let's try to print it here. So print, after for loop I am writing occurrence, word is most occurring word will be the maximum occurred word, and what will be the occurrences, frequency is what, it will be around max value will be the frequency. Okay, so this is the complete program. Now let's dry run this with this case. Let's suppose string is now hello. So what the occurrence dictionary I am going to maintain here. So I am dry running it so that you can get the clear idea what I am trying to say. So I am dry run it here. So I am creating the blank dictionary here, let's suppose. So this is, let's suppose, dictionary, it will look like this. Okay, so what this split method will return you, so what this split method will return, this split method will return list that will contain the word of the string hello, then this, okay, and then is, then message, and then hello, and then there. So this function, split function, will return result like this. This list will be returned. Now words variable will have this much data. Maximum is the variable that has the 0 value initially. Let's try to solve it. And then maximum occurrence word equals to, there will be nothing is there in this array, in this string currently, because these are blank. Now occurrence dictionary is also empty, there is nothing. We will insert the key value pairs here. Initially it will be blank, so its name is occurrence dictionary. It will help you to understand the logic better way. Now try to run this for loop. This for loop will done. This for loop, you should know how to iterate this list. So first time hello will come in this word wrd. So wrd will become hello first, and what you are going to call this str.count word. So str.count, you are essentially counting hello. So how many times hello is repeated in this string will be returned by this count method. You need not to worry about it, how it is going to calculate. It will return you 2, because it is occurring 2 times, so it will return you 2 value that we are going to store in count variable. So your count variable will have the 2 value, and your count will have 2 value. Now you are updating this key occurrence dictionary dot update method you are calling, and what you are essentially doing, you are calling like the update method like this, update, and then you are passing word wrd, you need to write here wrd. Wrd will be the key. So wrd is what? Here hello will be the key, and value will be what? Count value is what? 2. So this update method, if you call like this, if the dictionary is empty currently and this key is not there in this dictionary, so it will insert this key value pair in this dictionary. So hello and 2 will be inserted in this dictionary like this. This is the first entry. Now next line, if count is greater than max is 0 and count is 2 is greater than 0, condition is what? True. So what will happen? Max will become count, so max value will become 2. And your maximum occurrence word what it will become? It will become the current word. What is the word? Word value is, what is the word value? Word value is this hello. So hello will come in this most occurrence word currently. This will be the string. Now this loop will again continue. This loop will continue till we iterate each word of this list. So next time this will come in this word. So next time what will happen? This will come in this word, and next time we are calling str.count this, and this is repeated how many times? 1 time. So this count function will return 1, and your count variable will become 1, and next occurrence dot dictionary, and it will update like this. There it will be this, and here it will be 1. So this colon 1. So this colon 1 is not found in the dictionary here, so it will insert this value also. So this will be inserted and value will be 1, and we are going to check whether count is greater than max. Count is 1, max is 2. Whether 1 is greater than 2? No, condition false. So our maximum will be 2 only, then this condition is false, so it will not executed. Your maximum occurrence word is still 2, still hello is there. Okay, next time is will come in this word. So next time is will come in this word, and you are counting the is here. So you are counting is, how many time count is there? It is 1 time only. So your count will become again 1, and you are going to call this dictionary dot update is colon 1. So is not found in dictionary, so it will be inserted is colon 1, and next time count is greater than max. Count is what? 1 is greater than 2, condition is still false, nothing will happen. Again loop will continue, message will come in this string. In case of message, again this is occurring 1 time, count will become 1. Your dictionary will be inserted with message, because this is also not there in this dictionary. So update method will insert this also here, message comma 1, and next time hello will come again. So hello will come again, then your word will become hello again, and you are counting this hello, then it will again return 2. Your count will become this time 2, and your occurrence dictionary dot update method will call with the hello colon 2. Then what will happen? This dictionary is already there, this key is already there, then it will update the value of the dictionary with this new value. So new value will become 2 again. So I am darkening this. So there, this will not added again because this is already found in the dictionary. So update method, I have already told you, if the key is found already in the dictionary, then it will not insert new key here, it will update the value of the key whatever we have here. Okay, so this is how. Now count is 2, 2 is greater than 2, condition false, nothing will happen, hello is still a most occurring word. Next time there will come, and there will come, in that case count of the there will be 1 only, so count will become 1 again. 1 is greater than 2, condition is false, nothing will happen, and before that the dictionary will be updated with there colon 1, and this is the new value that doesn't found in the dictionary, so there will be inserted here, and frequency will be 1, and next time nothing is left in this list of words. Now your loop will be terminated, and you are going to print word is what? Word is hello, most occurring word is hello, and frequency is what? How many times it occurred? Too many times, max value. Okay, so this is how this problem can be solved. If you can solve this problem for this string, then very easily you can solve this for the file. So now what we are going to do here, I am converting this code for the file, I am removing all those steps, and I am going to convert this program for file. So I am removing all those because these are not important now. So you have very simple problem it is. It looks like difficult, but it is very simple problem. Why? Because if you drag down it to the simple problem, and you can solve the simple problem, how that I have solved this simple problem. In case of string, now you need to fetch this string from where? We need to fetch it from the file, but nothing else you need to do. Now I am going to fetch this string from the file, and to fetch this string from the file, nothing we need to do, we need to use the file handling, and I am going to replace this string with the file handling code now, and your problem will be solved. So now I am going to replace this with the file handling, and it will be solved. So now I am going to do what? I am going to do here one thing, that is file handling code I am going to write here. So what I am going to do, I will open the file into the open mode, open in read mode. I will pass the path of the file, user, let's say admin, let's say desktop, let's say email.txt. This file will contain the 10 phishing emails, and we are opening it into the read mode. And now you need to do file.read. This will return the content of the file, and in a string format. Now rest of the thing will be done by this logic that we have already seen, how it will count the maximum number of frequency. Okay, so now I am going to write the Python code and see it into the editor. So I am removing this all those stuff, and I am going to write the Python code now, and we can simply go ahead and try it in your editor. So I am going to write the Python code. For Python code, I am just need to do what I need to do. I need to open a file. So file I am going to open, and using open method, I will pass the path here, users/admin. I am passing it as per my computer system. It might be different on your computer. Desktop/email.txt, whatever the file name you need to put here, and open it into the read mode. Now you can content of the file you can get using what? File dot read method, it will return the entire content of the file. This method you should know. Now what you need to do, you need to create a maximum variable that will be 0 initially, occurrence dictionary, that will be blank initially. Then you need to create some one variable, maximum occurring word equals to blank initially. Now we are going to write the split method. So words in the file will be what? So content is the string that has the content of the file in a string format. I am going to split method. Split method will return the list of items. I am going to iterate this list word in, let's say, words, and now I am going to count the frequency of this word using count equals to count method. So content dot count and the word, it will count the word in the entire file, how many times the particular word is appearing in this file and file content, and then we are going to update it into the dictionary, occurrence dictionary. So occurrence underscore dict dot update method we are going to use, and simply we are going to insert the word as a key and count as a value. And now we are going to check for the maximum occurring word. If count is greater than max, we need to track the maximum occurring word. Then we are going to update this max with the count. Otherwise what we need to do, and maximum occurring word we need to store. So maximum occurring word will be what? Current word that we are counting word. And then outside this for loop, this is the for loop, complete for loop up to here. Now outside the for loop you will write the print statement. So I am going to write the other part of the code here. So this will be outside for loop, so remember, and print most occurring word is what? It will be in maximum occurring word variable, maximum occurring word variable. And then you are going to print frequency is what? Its frequency is in the max variable. And now you can print the other variable frequency also. Other words frequency is, you can print the dictionary, it will give all words occurrences. So occurrence dictionary you can print. So this is the complete program. Now we are going to run it into the Spider editor. So before that, writing it into the Spider editor, I am going to show you the file, that email.txt file that we are going to use. So this file is there on my desktop, so you can open, and here in this file I have the 5 phishing emails. So hi Pradeep, you have won the lottery of 10 lakh rupees. Click here to get prize. Share user ID password of net banking. Enter user ID password. This is another email. Good day, you have won the motor car worth 10 lakh rupees. Click here to get the prize. Share user ID password of net banking. This is another. Dear Petra, I have noticed your banking site is down. You please share username password. I need to block it in response of this email. This is another. Hello Sunil, you have won a gold coin worth 10 lakh rupees. To get it, share banking user ID and password quickly. Here it is. Mohit, enter user ID password. You are a class 10 student. Pay your fees online and you will get coupon of 10 lakh rupees by sharing username and password. So these are the phishing emails. We need to count the most occurring word in this text file. This is pretty big file, and how our program will help you to get this content. So I am closing this and going into the Spider, and I am going to write the Python code. So first of all you need to apply the file, open the file in read mode. So I am If you don't know how to get the path of this file, then just right click on the file and go to the properties, and you can see the path here, C user/admin/desktop. Copy it, file extension .txt, file name is email.txt. you should remember this, it should be correct, and put one more backslash because it creates the backslash as the escape sequence, that's why email.txt extension should be correct, and then you should open it in read mode. Now I am going to write the content, read the content of the file using file.read method. It will, if you print this content, you can see what is the content method, what is read method actually returns. It returns the complete content of the file. You can see here also the content of the file that we have just earlier we have seen in by opening this file. You can see that the content variable will be having that much big string. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to just comment this code. Now we are going to create some max variable. It initially it is 0, maximum occurring word I am going to have, that is initially it will be blank. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a dictionary, occurrences dictionary, occurrences underscore dict, and you can have this dictionary. Initially it will be blank, so this way it will be blank. And now what you can do, so this will be your occurrences dictionary that will contain the each word's word and its frequency. Now we are going to use the for loop to iterate the content. Before that we need to split the content. We need to get the content word by word using the split method. So words of the file we can get, list of words we can get using the content is a string variable, and split method you are going to use. It will by default return the list of words of the file content, and you can print this list if you want how it will look, so it will be helpful for you to understand it. So if you run that, you can print the words, words. Okay, this will be the list. So here you can see the list of all the words in the files, you can see here. Okay, each word is separated and you can get the list of the words, hi Pradeep, and each word you have as a list item. So this is I have shown for your convenience. Now we are using the for loop to get the frequency of each word and words, and we are going to get the count equals to how you count the occurrence of the word in a file or in a string. So content dot count the occurrence of word, and you are going to check, you are going to insert this word and occurrence, word and its frequency into the dictionary. So occurrences dictionary you are going to use dot update method. I have told if the key is already exists then it will update, otherwise it will insert the key value pair in the dictionary. So you need to keep this mind. So key will be your word and value will be your count, and then you are checking for the maximum occurring word. If maximum is, if a count is greater than maximum, then we are going to update the maximum with that particular count, and maximum occurring word will also we are going to update maximum maximum underscore occurring word equals to the word that we are currently processing is the has the maximum frequency in the file currently, and it will update in the loop if any word that found the maximum frequency than the current maximum, then we are going to update this maximum with the current frequency, and your most occurring word will be updated as accordingly. Okay, and that's all in this loop. Now you can print the frequency. Most occurring word is that will be your maximum occurring word. And what about the frequency? Its frequency or occurrences, number of times it occurred. number of times it occurred is what it is in max variable. Okay, now you can print the other words frequency also. Other words frequency is, and you can print the dictionary, complete dictionary that will having the all words frequencies. So that's all in this program. Now you can run this program and it will give you the most frequent word now. So I already explained this program by dry running this. Now you should know, you should not be, if you didn't got how it is going to count the maximum occurring word frequency and maximum occurring word, then please go and watch the logic explanation. Here I have told you. Now just run it and you will be able to see here the most occurring word is A, and its frequency, number of times it is occurred in the file, it's 57 times. It's weird. So let's see where it is. I don't think it is correct. Actually what happened, we have inserted a as a word in the file, and it is counting the, if you are going to count the word A, let's suppose you can see here A is the word in this dictionary, in this file we have used A as a word, and if you are counting the occurrences of this A in this file, then it will be 57. That's why this 57 is coming, that is correct. Now what we need to do, we need to remove this A and see it, because A is the word, then it is making some problem. So because if you are counting the A, then it is counting the A in the word inside also. Okay, so we need to remove the A. Now it should return the password now. Okay, now let's try to run it again. Let's try to run it, and what this time it has returned. Okay, this time also it is. So we need to remove A from this file, actually A as a word, otherwise it is going to give you this kind of result. Okay, so if there is any where A as a word we are using, you need to look at there, A as a word we are using here also. So I have saved it. Now let's try to run it again. I am clearing my console and running this file again, and now see what it is returning. Now it is correct. Now it is saying the password is the most occurring word, and previous cases what was happening, A we have inserted as a word, and if you call this count method with the word A, then it is counting in the all the words also. Okay, that's why it was returning like this. Okay, so this is the problem with the count method. It is actually counting in the complete string how many times a character is occurred. That's why it was returning wrong results. And now your password is has the maximum frequency, and that is 8, and your other words you can see hi has the two times, Pradeep has repeated 1 times, you has repeated 4 times, and this is how you can see other words also. 10 is repeated, 10 lakh we have written, so 4 times, and you can see password here also. This password is repeated 8 times and has repeated 6 times. So this will print you all words frequency. So urgently is repeated 1 time. Okay, so this is the problem that we have solved. Now you can go ahead and try to work in your computer, try to paste this code or type this code and run it on your computer, and see how it is helping you to count the most occurring word in a file or 10 phishing emails, and print it and see the interesting results. Thank you so much. That's all in this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.